This video will demonstrate how to create and edit mind maps, which can be used to brainstorm ideas or begin a code hierarchy. I'm going to work from an existing mind map in the sample project, which is located in the Visualizations area in the navigation view in the subfolder named Maps. Double-click to open the mind map named Early Thoughts on Coding. Click the Edit option to make changes to this mind map. Click on the economy shape. I can add a sibling idea on the same level, a child idea one level down, or a floating idea that's not connected to the other ideas. I can change the layout of my mind map by clicking one of these predefined layouts. Or I can click and drag to move shapes. It's also possible to format shapes. Click on the community shape to change its colour, add a border, resize and format the text. Finally, I can create my map as a code hierarchy by clicking on the Create as Codes or Cases icon. To create a new blank mind map, click on the Explore tab in the ribbon and choose Maps and then Mind Map. You can export a mind map as an image by right-clicking in Detailed View and selecting Export Map.